Speed brakes. Flown it before?
Nope.
Oh, jeez.
Here.
Does it get a hand launch?
Got a good spar.
No. If you run really fast.
You want to run the gear down?
Don, how fast could you run?
Not that fast.
What gear are you using?
These are JT's brakes.
These are brakes.
Oh, those, yeah.
Oh man, you're going full
He's styling,
Monty
man. He's
here.
got brakes on it, too.
full Monty.
Yeah. I gotta make sure the track's straight.
Man.
What color are you gonna paint it?
I'm just gonna do the
Great.
there's like a color that has a yellow spot here.
Oh yeah. What do they call that airplane?
I don't know.
What size fan does that have?
90.
Holy cow, that's a lot of foot. That's a lot of
October the 20th, 2019. It's now 1:32 in the afternoon. Erick's going to fly his 3D printed F-86. 90 millimeter. Sounds good. Up. All right. Oh, nut.
It looks like the fuselage.
Yeah, fuselages.
2-3 cell.
Looks good.
He said it could use it.
What's that?
Oh.
Look at all the parts I did. Oh well.
That's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, when you took off, I thought, oh, this is not gonna be good. Huh? Yeah, and then when you made that turn, it just stalled.
If I'd gone straight longer, it might have
Yeah.
pulled out of it.
Well, or less of a turn.
Shoot. Well, we got all the parts.
I think so.
That heavier than like the T-45 or the...
Here's one more little piece. You got your batteries have to be there because your canopy stayed on, right? Eric,
What's that?
your batteries have got to be here.
And figured out the... What is it?
The batteries sometimes like, okay, good.
Draw it in a